What's up you guys, so today I'm going to be making some Valentine's Day cookies. However, I am going to be using a packet mix because you can never go wrong with the Tesco packet mix. But yeah, hopefully, I know that they're still going to be as amazing as homemade ones. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this recipe and let's get to it. So the things that you'll need for this recipe: 1 bag of mix. I'm using the Tesco one because it's really good and I've used it plenty of times and I know how delicious it is. This makes 6, by the way. 50 grams of unsalted or salted butter and 15 milliliters of water, which I've both already prepared. In addition, because I'm trying to make like Valentine's Day ones, I am using some red Smarties to make them cute, I guess. And this is going to make them a lot more filled because the mix already has chocolate chips, so it's going to be like extra delicious. So the first thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 180 degrees or 160 degrees fan or gas mark 4. The oven makes like a humming noise, so like if the audio is slightly bad from this point onwards, then that's to blame. Okay. So the first thing that I'm going to do is pour in the mix and the butter and water, and I'm just going to mix it together. If you are adding in extra like chocolate chips or whatever, then you could add them in right now. But because I am a neat freak and have to make sure everything's perfect, when I'm making the balls to separate out how many cookies I'm making, I'm going to add it in then, so then everything's nice and neat because I care way too much about how things look. Now all I'm going to do is mix this up until it's well combined, and then I'll be back with you to show you what we're going to do next. Now that it's all combined like this, so it's one big splat, I'm going to divide it out into 6 balls and then mix in some of my red Smarties into each of the balls. If you're a neat freak like me and want to make sure every single one has the same amount, then you can do the same with whatever sprinkles or whatever you want to add into it. If not, then you just mix it in now or when you're putting everything else in. When they look like this, all I've done is put them onto a tray that has been greased and lined, and I've just pushed down each ball just slightly, just so they're like fat, flat discs. When they are all ready like this, we're going to put them in the oven for 11 to 12 minutes, take them out, put them on a cooling rack, and once they're cool, they are ready to eat. While we're waiting for them to bake, I'm going to clean up the mess that I have made. Ta-da! They just came out of the oven and they look and they smell amazing. So I'm going to put them on a wide cooling rack for 15 minutes still on the tray, and then if I can feel that they're like pretty much cold, then I'm going to put them onto the rack so they're fully cold, and I will come back to you once they are completely cold and you can see the finished result. So they are finished! I'm so happy with how they look. They look amazing and they smell incredible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already, and ding the little bell to be notified when I post a new video. I upload every Sunday, and I will see you guys next week.